Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we will create a PDF ChatBot. The bot will be a web-based application which can answer questions about the contents in a PDF file uploaded by the user. To start with, the application lets the user upload a PDF file. Once the file is uploaded, the app does embedding on it and creates a vector store internally. The user can then ask questions about the contents of the PDF. The app then responds with relevant answer for the question. We will use Streamlit to build the app. We will use LangChain to help with document chunking, embeddings to convert text to vectors, and store the indexes. We will use FAISS library to help with vector search. We will use OpenAI as our LLM. We will use PDF Plumber to convert PDF to text. Before we dig into the code, let us see how the final app will look like. It will have File Uploader button to upload the files. For example, we will use the US passport application instructions. After we upload, we will ask our app questions like how to process for minor. We will see the chatbot responding with very relevant and correct information based on the document. Now, let us look at the code. Please refer our other videos for introduction to retrieval augmented generation techniques and vector databases and similarity searches. First, we will use the Streamlit file uploader function to display the file upload browser window. Next, we will extract the text from PDF. We will use PDF Plumber library. Since the document is large, we will then split the text into chunks. We will use LangChain recursive character text splitter. We will use chunk size of 500. Next, we will perform embedding on chunks. We will use OpenAI embeddings and then use FAISS to store the embeddings into a vector store. At this step, our knowledge base is well indexed. When a user asks a question, we will find similar text from the embedding index. We will use the similarity search function. At this time, the retrieval part is done. Next up, we will augment the prompt. We will add the similar text obtained in the above step with the user question. We then come to the generation part. We will ask the OpenAI completion endpoint to come up with the answer. Finally, we display the LLM response to the user using the Streamlit write function. Finally, let us look at a demo of our PDF ChatBot app. We run the app by calling Streamlit run Streamlit PDF ChatApp.py. A new browser window is opened, and we can see the button to upload or drag and drop file. For example, we will use the US Passport DS11 application instructions. First, PDF text is split into chunks. Then embedding is performed on the chunks. We can then type our question in the input box. We will ask our app questions like how to process for minor. We will see the chatbot responding with very relevant and correct information based on the document. Each minor child applying for a US passport book and/or passport card must appear in person. They need to provide evidence of the child's U.S. citizenship. They need to provide evidence of the child's relationship to parents, guardians, and so on. Let us ask more questions. We will ask how to expedite the process. We then press the Enter key. The LLM responds as below. For faster processing, you may request expedited service. Please include the expedite fee in your payment. Our website contains updated information regarding fees and processing times for expedited service. Expedited service is only available for passports mailed in the United States and Canada. As we can see when we ask different questions, the vector search is searching for similar chunks of data in our knowledge base, and it augments the prompt with this information. Based on the augmented information, our LLM is able to provide accurate responses. With this, we have implemented a very simple RAG-based chatbot application. That's it, friends. In today's video, we created a PDF chatbot. The bot answered questions about the contents in a PDF file uploaded by the user. We used a simple RAG technique. We saw how to create an app using Streamlit and different frameworks like LangChain and libraries like Facebook AI Similarity Search. Please refer our other videos for introduction to retrieval augmented generation techniques and vector databases and similarity searches. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech talks, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.